In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote your business with Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into how you can effectively leverage Slack to give your business a boost. First up, you need to know about the Slack Marketplace. This platform is a fantastic resource where thousands of organizations go to find apps and automations that enhance their customer experience. By listing your services here, you're not just making your apps available, you're putting them right in front of organizations that are actively seeking solutions to enhance their performance. This is a golden opportunity to grow your business. Imagine this. You have an existing customer base, but through the Slack Marketplace, you can reach out to new audiences too. The marketplace is trusted, meaning that organizations feel safe browsing and using high-quality apps that could become integral to their daily operations. So, how do you get those apps in front of potential customers? Start by focusing on developing engaging and intuitive applications. This is essential to ensure a seamless adoption within the Slack environment. You want your app to be user-friendly, allowing anyone, regardless of their familiarity with Slack, to navigate and benefit from it. Think about integrating various features that enhance usability, such as shortcuts and actionable notifications, along with custom workflows that can be built effortlessly using the Workflow Builder. The next thought you might have is, how do I get my app to market quickly? Well, building in the Slack app ecosystem is accessible to everyone, from solo developers to large enterprises. Thanks to Slack's developer tools, you can take advantage of guided tutorials and extensive documentation. What does this mean for you? Instead of waiting weeks or even months, you can develop and launch your app in just a few hours. One thing to note is that you're not alone in this journey. Did you know there are over 2,500 apps in the Slack Marketplace? That's right, and with more than 1 million developers working on Slack apps, there's a strong community behind you. On average, an enterprise customer uses about 52 Slack apps. Take a platform like Zapier as an example. Their integration with Slack allows users to quickly move information between Slack and over 3,000 other partner apps. Users who connect with Slack on day one are actually 150% more likely to become paying customers, which showcases just how impactful a well-integrated app can be. Now, depending on your current situation, you have options for integrations. If you already have a product, you can simply extend it by integrating into Slack. This new touchpoint allows you to engage users in real time, enhancing their experience and developing better communication. On the other hand, if you want to build a Slack-first business from the ground up, there's no shortage of opportunities. With such a vast audience, there are plenty of challenges left to tackle, like speeding up sales cycles or enhancing connectivity across remote teams. As you prepare your app for the Slack Marketplace, remember that first impressions count. Make your listing visually appealing by incorporating images, videos, and clear descriptions. Additionally, enterprise clients will want to know more about your app's security, compliance, and pricing. So, whether you're looking to extend your existing product or start from scratch, the Slack Marketplace presents an incredible chance to reach new customers and grow your business. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please like this video